Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today I will show you one application that is very useful for every students and those people also who are weak in maths and want a good application that can teach you every problem's solutions and gives you complete details step by step in solving that mathematics. So without any further more delay, let's begin. First, you need to go to Play Store. So in the Play Store, you need to search for one application named as Photomat. As you can see here, Photomat applications. Remember, this is a free version application, so anyone can install it without any needing to purchase. As I've already installed this application, so I'm not going to install it again. So if you have not installed this applications, so please install it on your smartphone, and once the installation is done, click open. As you can see, its user interface, it will directly turn on your camera. So you can see here this rectangle size space. As you can see here marked that you'll be pointing towards your equations. So let's check it out whether it really works or not. So here I bring one of our problem solutions. Let me bring it closer to you so that you can see. As you can see here, the number is written like this. So I want a solutions for this. Just place on your camera as like this. So here is exactly, as you can see here, exactly it's coming half. As you can see, half plus 3 by 4 into 12 into 3 over 3, as the solution is 7 by 2. So you can see below here, so the solving steps. As you can see the solving steps by clicking on the solving steps. So here how they break it up, you can check here just by clicking here. So they're explaining how they did it, and you can see one more steps here. Here is the number with the greatest common divisor, and that's done above. So you can see the second step what they did, that then calculate the sum, and lastly you can see the solutions, and the alternative form of the answer is you can get these answers. So in this way you can get the solutions of any numericals very easily using this Photomat apps in your smartphone. So in this way you can get solutions of any problems using this Photomat applications. So go and check it out and try yourself whether it works or not for you, and I hope this will be very useful in day-to-day life. If you're weak in mathematics or wanna know its numerical problem solutions, then definitely you should check this out apps, and I hope you find it useful. And please click on the thumbs like button if you like the video, and please do support our channel by subscribing our channel. And lastly, thanks for watching.